1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede commuter from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some awesome Marvin Gaye sexual healing. Alright, so let's get to it. Let's start with putting a cape on fret 1, please. So standard tuning, cape on 1. Alright, let's go. We got D major. Song is in D shape. 1, 2, 3. We got A major. 1, 2, 3. Got B minor. 2nd fret, 5, and then 3, 3, 2. G major. 1, 2, 3. Then we got some more chords in the what do you want to call it, the bridge or maybe the chorus. We have 2 sections in this song basically. So even though the song is in D, we start in A, to B minor, and then G to D. Section starts on D, F sharp, 7 shape. You gotta bar all the strings, 2nd fret, and then 4 on A, 4 on A, and 3 on G. So F sharp, 7. So D major to G major, and then grab this E minor with a 7 on top here. So 2nd fret A, E minor 7, and pinky on the 3rd fret B. We want to go F sharp. Don't move your pinky, just move your 2nd finger to 2nd fret. And then move to 3rd fret, and then A. Back to A, B. Okay, second part. Let's call this a chorus. F sharp 7, G major. right, so let's review everything before we end the lesson. Cape 1, standard tuning, versus A major, B minor, G, D. A major, B minor, G, D. And then chorus. D, F sharp 7, G major, and then we have the walk up. E minor 7, F sharp, G, A. And that. Cool. Sexual Healing. Marvin Gaye. Awesome stuff. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Be safe.